Hi friends, this is Dinesh Haria bringing you today's some of the important news. I will bring everyday important news for all of you. Yesterday, all over India, 2,17,000 new corona cases were detected and the total active cases as of yesterday were 15 lakhs. This is cause of concern for all of us, and my request to all of you, let us follow all the COVID related protocols like wearing the mask, keeping the social distance, and people should not venture out from their house unless there is really a need to go out. If more and more people remain indoors, then the spread of coronavirus can be stopped, and hence whatever serious situation which is we are passing through will be taken care of. Government has announced that they will increase the production of the locally developed vaccine, that is Covaxin, to 10 crores vials per day by September 2021 by bringing in some of the public sector manufacturing unit to manufacture this vaccine. Once the production is scaled up, we feel that maximum population of India can be vaccinated, and this will help in removing the spread of coronavirus in India. Indian Meteorological Department, that is IMD, has projected normal monsoon for India during the current year. This is the third consecutive years where the monsoon will be normal for India. This means the economy will again pick up. Indian Railways has projected that they are now running at almost 69% capacity of the pre-COVID days. That means people have started traveling again, and that shows again the economy is picking up. Mindtree, which is one of the leading IT company, has announced yesterday result for the last quarter, that is January to March 2021. The net profit is increased by almost 54%. This is the fourth company which has now announced result for the fourth quarter, and all four companies have shown good results. That is Tata Consulting Services, Infosys, Wipro, and now Mindtree. This shows the Indian IT industry is growing, and it will grow faster in future because all over the world the spend on the digital platform is increasing, and that's good for the Indian IT industry. Reliance has announced that they will be giving free oxygen from their Jamnagar plant to government of Maharashtra to tide over the shortage of oxygen in Maharashtra. Citigroup has announced that they will exist, that means they will stop the retail banking business in India because of the stiff competition from the local banking industry, and they do not see much market share for themselves in future. Maruti Suzuki, which is one of the leading automobile manufacturers, has announced that they will increase price of their various models up to rupees 22,500 to take care of the increase in the input cost. This means more automobile companies in India will now start increasing their prices to take care of the input cost. Also, it is projected that in India, mainly the passenger vehicle and two-wheeler will see a good demand in future because more and more people want now personal vehicle, and they do not want to travel by public transport in view of the current spread of corona. This will be good for the automobile industry's growth in future. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.